Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English through Daily Conversations. My name is your English friend, and I am very happy you are here today. Are you a beginner in English? Do you want to speak English with confidence? Do you want to understand native speakers more easily? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. In this podcast, we will learn English together in a simple and easy way. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. You do not need to know difficult grammar. You do not need to learn hundreds of new words every day. We will learn step by step. Every episode will teach you useful English that you can use in real life. You will learn how to introduce yourself, make new friends, order food at a restaurant, go shopping, ask for directions, visit the doctor, travel, and talk about your daily life. Our conversations are short, clear, and easy to understand. Please listen carefully. Try to repeat every sentence after you hear it. Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve your English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Mistakes help us learn. The more you practice, the better you become. Try to listen to this podcast every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes of practice can make a big difference. Remember, learning English is not a race. Go slowly. Practice every day. Stay positive. Be patient. Little by little, your English will improve. So, are you ready? Great. Let's begin our English journey together. Take a deep breath, smile and say, I can learn English. One more time. I can speak English. Excellent. Now, let's start today's daily conversation. Let's learn English together. Hello again. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is one of the most important English skills. You can use it at school, at work, while traveling, or when meeting new people. Don't worry. We will use only easy English. First, listen to the conversation. Conversation. Emma, hi. David, hello. Emma, my name is Emma. What's your name? David, my name is David. Nice to meet you. Emma, nice to meet you too. David, where are you from? Emma, I'm from the United States. How about you? David, I'm from Brazil. Emma, that's nice. David, what do you do? Emma, I'm a college student. David, that's great. I work in a bank. Emma, it's nice talking with you. David, it's nice talking with you too. Have a great day. Emma, you too. Goodbye. David, goodbye. Now, let's learn these sentences one by one. Sentence 1. Hi. This is a friendly greeting. You can also say, hello. Hi there. Repeat after me. Hi. Hello. Great job. Sentence 2. My name is Emma. This is the easiest way to tell someone your name. You can also say, my name is Alex. My name is Sarah. My name is John. Now say it with your own name. My name is... Excellent. Sentence 3. What's your name? This question asks another person's name. Repeat. What's your name? Very good. Sentence 4. Nice to meet you. We say this when we meet someone for the first time. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Excellent. The other person usually says, nice to meet you too. Repeat that. Nice to meet you too. Wonderful. Sentence 5. Where are you from? This means, what country do you come from? Examples. I'm from Canada. I'm from Japan. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from India. Now answer with your own country. Very good. Sentence 6. What do you do? This question asks about someone's job or studies. Examples. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I work in a hospital. I work in a restaurant. Think about your answer. Can you answer? Great. Let's practice the whole conversation one more time. I'll say Emma's lines first. Then you can answer like David. Ready? Emma, hi. You, hello. Emma, my name is Emma. What's your name? You, my name is. Emma, nice to meet you. You, nice to meet you too. Emma, where are you from? I'm from. Emma, what do you do? You, I'm a student. Or say your own answer. Emma, it was nice talking with you. You, it was nice talking with you too. Emma, goodbye. You, goodbye. Excellent work. You just had your first English conversation. Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Speak slowly. Practice every day. Every conversation makes you more confident. In the next part, we'll learn even more useful English expressions for everyday life. Let's keep learning together. In the next section, we can continue with part 2, meeting new people. Welcome back. In this part, we will learn how to meet new people and start a simple conversation in English. This is something you can use at school, at work, while traveling, or when making new friends. Don't worry. The sentences are short. The words are easy. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. Conversation. Anna, hi. Is this seat free? Michael, yes, it is. Please have a seat. Anna, thank you. Michael, you're welcome. Anna, my name is Anna. What's your name? Michael, I'm Michael. Anna, nice to meet you, Michael. Michael, nice to meet you too, Anna. Anna, where are you from? Michael, I'm from Canada. Anna, oh, that's nice. I'm from Mexico. Michael, is this your first time here? Anna, yes, it is. Michael, how do you like it so far? Anna, I like it very much. Everyone is friendly. Michael, that's great to hear. Anna, what do you like to do in your free time? Michael, I like reading books, watching movies, and playing basketball. Anna, really? I like reading books too. Michael, that's wonderful. Maybe we can share our favorite books someday. Anna, I'd like that. Michael, it was nice meeting you. Anna, it was nice meeting you too. Michael, have a great day. Anna, you too. Goodbye. Michael, goodbye. Let's learn the conversation. Now let's study the important sentences. Is this seat free? You ask this question when you want to sit somewhere. Repeat after me. Is this seat free? Excellent. Please, have a seat. This means, you can sit here. Repeat. Please have a seat. Very good. Thank you. This is one of the most useful English expressions. Repeat. Thank you. Someone may answer, you're welcome. Repeat. You're welcome. Great. Is this your first time here? People ask this question when they want to know if you have visited a place before. Examples. Yes, it is. No, I've been here before. Repeat. Is this your first time here? Excellent. How do you like it so far? This means, what do you think about this place until now? A few simple answers are, I like it. I like it very much. It's beautiful. It's interesting. Everyone is friendly. Repeat your favorite answer. Wonderful. What do you like to do in your free time? This question asks about your hobbies. Here are some easy answers. I like reading books. I like listening to music. I like watching TV. I like playing football. I like cooking. I like drawing. I like learning English. Now answer with your own hobby. Take your time. Great job. Pronunciation practice. Listen and repeat. Hi. Hello. Thank you. You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Mexico. I like reading books. Have a great day. Goodbye. Excellent. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Imagine you meet a new friend. Answer these questions aloud. Question 1. What's your name? Question 2. Where are you from? Question 3. What do you like to do in your free time? Question 4. Is this your first time here? Fantastic. You are speaking English. Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger. Every day you practice, your confidence grows. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep smiling. You are doing an amazing job. In the next part, we will learn how to start and continue a friendly conversation with simple questions and answers. See you in part 3. Talking about your daily routine. Welcome back. You are doing a great job. In this part, we will learn how to talk about our daily routine. People often ask, what do you do every day? This is a very common question. Let's learn how to answer it using simple English. Listen carefully, and then repeat after me. Conversation. Sophia, good morning. James, good morning. Sophia, how are you today? James, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Sophia, I'm great, thanks. James, What time do you usually wake up? Sophia, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. James, what do you do after that? Sophia, first, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast. James, what do you usually eat? Sophia, I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit. James, that sounds healthy. Sophia, thank you. Then I go to work. James, how do you go to work? Sophia, I usually drive my car. Sometimes I take the bus. James, what time do you finish work? Sophia, I finish work at 5 o'clock. James, what do you do in the evening? Sophia, I have dinner with my family. Then I read a book or watch TV. Before I go to bed, I study English for 30 minutes. James, that's a great habit. Sophia, thank you. Learning English is important to me. James, I agree. Good luck with your English. Sophia, thanks. Have a wonderful day. James, you too. Goodbye. Sophia, goodbye. Useful vocabulary. Wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, drive a car, take the bus, have lunch, finish work, have dinner, read a book, watch TV, study English, go to bed. Let's repeat them together. Wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, eat breakfast. Excellent. Useful sentences. Listen and repeat. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. I finish work at 5. I study English every day. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Very good. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer the questions aloud. Question 1. What time do you wake up? Question 2. What do you eat for breakfast? Question 3. How do you go to school or work? Question 4. What do you do in the evening? Question 5. What time do you go to bed? Excellent. The more you answer these questions, the more confident you will become. Mini challenge. Now try to say your daily routine in 5 simple sentences. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English at night. Now pause the podcast and try to make your own 5 sentences. Take your time. Great job. Every day you practice, your English becomes better. Remember, you don't have to speak fast. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Practice every day. Small steps lead to big success. In the next part, we will learn how to ask and answer questions about family and friends using simple English. See you in part 4. Welcome to the final part of today's episode. Congratulations! You finished episode 1. You should be proud of yourself. Today, we learned many useful English expressions. Let's review them together one last time. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. My name is. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from. What do you do? I'm a student. I work in an office. Thank you. You're welcome. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. I study English every day. Have a great day. Goodbye. Excellent. Now, let's practice a short conversation one last time. Emma, hi. You? Hello. Emma, what's your name? You? My name is. Emma, nice to meet you. You? Nice to meet you too. Emma, where are you from? I'm from. Emma, what do you do? You? I'm a student. Emma, what do you like to do in your free time? You? I like learning English. Emma, that's wonderful. You? Thank you. Fantastic. You just had another English conversation. Every time you practice, you become a better English speaker. Remember these 3 simple rules. First, listen every day. Even 10 minutes of English practice can help you improve. Second, speak every day. Don't just listen. Repeat every sentence aloud. Your mouth needs practice just like your ears. Third, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes when they were a beginner. So keep going. Stay positive. Be patient. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Learning English is a journey, and every small step brings you closer to your goal. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more confident. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to come back for the next lesson. In our next episode, we will learn more useful English conversations that you can use in everyday life. Until then, keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep speaking English. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, and see you in the next episode.